Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a cute dolphin but colorful. Say hello to our ocean superstar Dolly the dolphin. She's not just any dolphin. She's the one who believes that every wave is a runaway. So she swims, spins and does flips like a true underwater fashion queen. Grab your colors and grab your pen. And let's make Dolly the most colorful dolphin in the whole ocean. Ready? Let's dive in. Splash! And we are done, guys. Look at our adorable colorful dolphin. Is not Dolly the cutest rainbow swimmer ever? If you like drawing with me today, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more cute and colorful drawings, and share this video with your friends so they can join our creative ocean too. Tell me in the comments, if you were a dolphin, what colors would you choose? Till then, bye bye, see ya, and sorry for the background noises. Bye bye, take care of yourself. Bye bye.